guys, it's Yanxiel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how I do my basic makeup. Before you put anything into your face, wash your face. After you cleanse your face, you put tinted moisturizer. It's okay if it's not tinted kasi ito lang yung meron ko for now since inuubos pa namin ang aming Okay, so I'm done moisturizing my face. Yung susunod na gagawin ko is applying foundation. Susunod kong gagawin is putting foundation. So you apply it the back of your hand, mga ganyan. And then you get your beauty blender or any kind of parang pang-blend ng face. Then you just do this. Tapos, when applying foundation into your face, you don't put it downward para hindi magmukhang soggy yung face. And to make your face more young tingnan when you're putting on makeup. Shade I used in my foundation was beige 2. I'm using beige 2 because it's my color scheme. After you put your foundation, put some powder. I am using this shade here. And I'm using the Kabuki brush. The reason why you should putting powder is when you're going in a hot place or you're gonna wear your makeup for a very long time, the powder is going to set it and make it last even longer. So after putting on powder, I am going to be putting on eyeshadow. I'm going to be making a natural look today, so I'm just going to use the brown one. So after you put some eyeshadow, make your brows. I am using Friday I'm in Love. It's soap scrub for the eyebrows. This is what it looks like. And I will be using this types of thingamajigger. Yeah, I just rub it in here. After I place the soap for the brows, I get my angle brush and get a dark or brown colored eyeshadow, and then I will shape my eyebrows and then I will blend it in. So if you're done with the brows, you can proceed on shaping your nose with brown eyeshadow. You start from the eyebrow and then go down to your nose. After that, get your brush. Oh my gosh. So after that, you get your brush and then blush. Blush it into my cheeks. After that, I contour my cheeks. On contouring and blushing, you can start on putting some lipstick. and you can start highlighting your face. Get a brush and then you can brush off all the excess makeup you have used since meron pa dito yung powder na ginamit natin kanina, and yeah. Doing all those steps, you can grab some black eyeshadow and then put it in the top of your eyes, and then it will look like eyeliner. This is the finished look that I have created. Hope you like it and like the video. Subscribe. Stay safe.